Welcome back to my channel SKS Creations. I am back with another new video. Today's topic is Angles and Pairs of Angles, Chapter 4, Part 1, Standard 7. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start. What is a point? If we put a tip of a pencil on a paper and press it lightly, we see a very small mark on the paper. Look at this picture. Here I have made a dot with a pencil. This dot, this mark, is a point. It has no size. It means it has no width, no depth, and no length. It is denoted by one capital letter. It means you can name this point using one capital letter. Let's see example. See, here I have taken a point. Let's see how to name this point. I have taken one capital letter B just above the point. So you can say that it is point B. Now I have taken one more point. We'll name this point also. So I have taken one capital letter A just above the point. So it is point A. See, one more point I have taken over there. We'll name it with letter Q. So it is point Q. So here we have three different points. It is point B, it is point A, and it is point Q. What is a line? A line is a straight set of points, and it can extend endlessly in both the directions. Let's say example. Here I have taken one point, one more point. Keep on taking some dots like that. You can say that it is group of points, it is set of points, and all the points in this group are straight. You can see arrow at both the ends of this group. That arrow indicates that it can be extended endlessly in both the directions. Such figure is called as line. It has no ends in both the directions. It has no thickness. A line can be named either using 2 points on the line or simply by a single small letter. See, I have taken a point on a line. Now we will take one more point like this. Here we have another point on the line. Now we'll name those 2 points. Now here we have 2 points on the line, point A and point B. Using these 2 points, we can name this line. How we can name it? Line AB. You can say it is line AB, or you can say it is line BA. We can also name this line using small letter. Look at the figure. Here I have taken small letter M. So you can say it is line M. So here we have single line with 3 different names. Line AB, line BA, line M. Now I have taken one more point on this line. I have named it this point as P. Now this line can be named with some more names. Using this 2 point, you can say that it is line AP, or you can say it is line PA. Using point P and B, you can say that it is line PB, or you can say it is line BP. So in other words, you can say that a line has infinite number of names. What is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line with two endpoints. Here we have a line. See, I have taken one point on this line. I have taken one more points on this line. So this part, alright, a part having two endpoints. You can see that this part is known as line segment. It has two endpoints, point A and point B. You can name this line segment as line segment AB or line segment BA. You can measure the length of a segment. It means every segment has specific length. What is a ray? A ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and it extends endlessly in one direction. See, here we have a line, and this portion is a part of a line, and this portion, this part is example of a ray. You can say that it has one end point, this point. This point is called as end point of a ray. It is also called as fixed point of a ray. You can say that it is the origin of a ray, or you can say that it is a starting point of a ray. Now we'll name this end point. Okay, it's A, point A. So point A is end point of a ray. Now we will take one more point on this ray. We'll name this point as B. So it is ray AB. How will name this? Ray AB. You have to name the ray starting from end point. End point is here A, so name it from A. It is ray AB. It has no length.
What is an angle? An angle is formed by two rays with the same end point. Here we have a ray. Here point A is called as end point of a ray. Now we will take one more point on this ray. Say it is B. Now it is a ray. It is a ray AB, right? So here point A is called as end point of a ray AB. It is also be called as origin of a ray. It is also be called as fixed point of a ray. So what is the point A here? It is the end point of ray AB. Now here we have another ray with the same origin, with the same end point, that is A. Now we will take one more point on this ray, say it is C. So it is angle BAC. An angle is represented by the symbol. It is a symbol. This is symbol of an angle. If you want to represent angle, you have to use this symbol. We can name the angle as BAC, angle BAC, or angle CAB. The short name of the angle is angle A. Make a note, here the angle is forming at point A, right? At the common endpoint, right? So when you name the angle, you should see that letter A should be between the remaining two letters. That is angle BAC, or you can say angle CAB, and the short name is angle A. Angles are measured in degrees by using protractor. Parts of an angle. Here we have angle BAC. The first part is arms or sides of an angle. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Look at over here, look at this figure. Here we have ray AB, and here we have another ray AC, right? Ray AB, ray AC. Those two rays are called as arms of an angle or sides of an angle. So here AB and AC are the two arms of an angle BAC. Here we have the second part, vertex. Vertex of an angle. The common endpoint of both the rays is called the vertex. Look at this figure. Here point A is end point of ray AB, and point A is also end point of ray AC, and this common end point, same end point, that is A, is known as vertex of angle BAC. So the point A is the vertex of angle BAC. Interior and exterior of an angle. Here we have an angle BAC. Points in the interior of an angle. Look at in this figure. The blue shaded part. This blue shaded part represents interior part of an angle BAC. Now here we have point X in the interior of angle BAC. Here we have another point Y in the interior of angle BAC. Here we have point Z in the interior of angle BAC. So points X, Y, Z are in the interior of an angle. Points in the exterior of an angle. Look at that, here the yellow shaded part represent exterior part of an angle. You can see point P is in the exterior of an angle. Point Q is in the exterior part of an angle. Point R is also in the exterior part of an angle. So you can say that points P, Q, R are in the exterior part of an angle. Points on the angle. Look at over here, point L and point M are on the angle. On the angle means they are on the arms of the angle. Point L and point M are on the arms of an angle. So point L, point M, point A, point B and point C are on the side of an angle, or you can say they are on the angle. So points A, B, C, L and M are on the arms of an angle. Thank you.